Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with another new engine in the shop. I got this on one of our favorite online auction houses, and it's a Wilesco D14EL. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, here's the little lovely. And of course we come with all the pamphlets and everything in it. Okay, let's take a little look at it. She's a 310 volt, 300 watt. And I chose this one because it's one of the few that comes with a throttle on it. Most of these don't. As you can see, we have a pressure gauge, 0 to 30 psi. And I'll be right back. We'll kit it out and put all the whistle and everything on it, safety valve, and fill it up with water and give it a go. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, we should be getting ready to go. Like most Wilescos, the where to find really where it's on and off at is kind of vague. There we go. She's only got about 6 pounds of pressure in it right now, and we're pushing 379, 380 watts. That's a little better than 300 listed. Pressure gauge is still climbing. We're at 10 psi now. And she runs beautifully. Now we're taking 20 pounds, so it's probably time to turn this way down. Probably about 50 or okay. Not bad for a first run. Well, the reason I chose this is because it had that built-in valve. Some of them before and some of them after, most of them do not have that. So this one really stuck out to me. Plus it was brand new. Alright. Very fine runner. We're at 82 now. And I don't have it near open, I don't think. You would think this way would be open, but closed, but it's open. Usually in line with the valve is open. Sorry for the finger in the way all the time. But anyway, there she is. Wilesco D14EL. As you can tell probably by now, I did a host of modifications to it. It didn't come from the factory like this. I put the pressure gauge on there, and I put an immersion rod cartridge heater in the boiler, and we added the cord and the Wilesco copper or a brass ID plate. So it's had some modifications done to it. It is brand new though, new old stock. Let's see how slow she'll go before I give up on it. Slow enough for a brand new engine. Thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Have yourself a great day now. Bye.